Mokio Bualekos, I say very good morning and welcome, as like always, until we understand the importance of having a quality life. What is a quality life? Transportation is one of them. Any country that doesn't have a good transportation, like Nigeria, it will always be an hindrance to development. Part of the United Nations SDG goals is to make sure that we have, places that people can move from point A to B. But for 63 years, Nigeria refused to build that transportation system, and that is why the farmers are finding it very difficult to move their produce from one end to the other. That is why people are finding it difficult to travel because of the terrorism that is happening in the country. And for the last 2 decades of the democracy, the question you ask yourself is, what has all the governors done with the budget? The budget that is meant to provide, the services that allow people to travel so that they can be able, not to be scared on the roads, not to get stuck. Most vehicles get damaged because of the bad roads. Most of the federal roads across the 36 states have been abandoned, and many Nigerians suffer the consequence of this. And these are so many reasons why we are asking the question, is this unity of Nigeria still what? Being together, knowing fully well that the government, and the previous government and the previous government since 1999 have purposely made Nigeria what it is. Fáǹfààní gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá tó bá fídíò ìpàdé, ìbéèrè tí mo ń bi gbogbo wa ni pé láti 24 years tí a ti padà sínú ìjọba lágbádá, kí ló dé tí àwọn àgbẹ̀ tí wọ́n lè múùfù nǹkan oko láti inú oko jáde sí títì nítorí pé kí ni gbogbo ọ̀nà tó yẹ kí ó ṣiṣẹ́ wọ̀ ṣe àwọn ọ̀nà yẹn. Tẹ bá wo Ṣàngó, tẹ lọ sí Ìkòròdú, tẹ lọ sí títí délẹ̀ Ìgbò, títí dé gbogbo àwọn middle belt, gbogbo federal road pátápátá òun ni wọ́n ti bàjẹ́. Lára ìdí tí a ṣe ń sọ pé the unity tí gbogbo wa jọ wà nínú Nàìjíríà kò ṣiṣẹ́. Let's now start asking for sovereignty so that a lè take control gbogbo ohun tó ń jẹ́ tọ̀dọ̀ tiwa. Rubber plantation wọ́n ti destroy ẹ̀. Cyprus plantation tí wọ́n fi ń ṣe oríṣiríṣi nǹkan ní gbogbo ọ̀nà Ìjẹ̀bú wọ́n ti bàjẹ́. Yorùbá nation ó ti di dandan. Yorùbá nation no going back. Koiki Media bringing the world closer to your doorstep.